Alright, what's going on, guys? It's the Z guy here, bringing you a new video 2 in 1 week. That's what's up. I'm here with my boy Omar. Omar, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Alright, back to me over here. Alright, today we're going to be doing a front lip install on a 2019 Honda Civic. So let's go ahead and show you right now. Boom. That's what we're putting on right there. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing a little fast forward motion on how this goes. Alright, what's going on, guys? You guys are probably wondering why I changed outfits. It's day 2. Yes, it's day 2. Alright, reason being. Alright, first of all, my SD card was terrible. Every time I record, it would always cut off after maybe like a minute or so. That's why sometimes in between the time lapse, you'll see like an immediate change. But thing number 2, it was cold outside. It's even colder today. Thing number 3, my drill died. Tough day, just a tough day. My drill died. I had to borrow Omar's, so that happened as well. But here we go. If you guys want to see the upgraded SD card, so originally I was recording with a 8 GB, and it was only like a 4 rating. And the one I got right here, SanDisk, 64 GB, and it's a 10 rating. The rating has to do with how much it can record, like what capacity it can. So there you go. So now we will get back to the video. Stay tuned. Okay, what we're going ahead and doing now is, guys, what I did was on this specific Civic, there's factory bolts that help keep the bumper in place. And we're using those bolt holes, and we're drilling a hole inside of the front lip. That way we don't have to drill more holes. So we'll go ahead and show that right now. Under here. So, from the looks of it, you have a bolt right here. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just drilling it right here. So if you want to go ahead and see that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This should be the end right now. Overall, it really didn't take that long. The only thing was those, little mishaps we had with the drill and the card, and yeah, that sucked. And it started snowing on top of it, and it got really cold. Really cold. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.